Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our weekly market update. This morning, I've got Shay and Danae with me. How are you this morning, guys?
Thank you. Good, thank you.
We'll jump into the sales market update with Shay first. So, what's been happening after lots of buyer activity this month? What's been happening this week?
We had about 6 open homes over the weekend. They were all spanning from right the way down in Cygnet, down to Dover, back into Huronville. Some of our top numbers were 6 and 7s.
Okay.
And then we had some lower numbers as well, but I say lower numbers in comparison to the last couple of
50 and 30.
Yeah,
and
correct. So back to normal numbers, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Which is really good to see. And then we've had quite a few people who are requesting appraisals over the last few weeks as well, which has been really good. So
Yes.
trying to get in, I guess, before the end of the year, before we start getting too close to Christmas, so
Yeah.
we can give it a good crack beforehand, and then make sure that everything's hopefully done and dusted over Christmas time.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah.
Cool. Property management tonight. What's the inquiry levels been like this week? Last couple of weeks, we haven't had many properties available. Have we got anything to rent out?
Yeah, so we have 5 properties online at the moment.
That's good.
Inquiry levels have been strong on those properties as well.
Okay.
A few open homes have held for those properties as well, and
Yeah.
we've had reasonable and steady numbers. Tasman Road in particular, collated a lot of interest.
Location.
Yeah, definitely. So
Yeah.
the price point as well for that property is great. So there was
Yeah.
lots of interest, as you can imagine, on that property.
Yes.
The other properties are steady as well. Inquiry levels are good, and we've received a few applications. So it's pretty steady at the moment, which is good.
Yeah, cool. Okay. I've had a big week of awards this week. Sitting in front of us, we've got 3 Real Estate Institute Tasmania awards, with probably the most notable being a property management team of the year. So Renee and the team that's for both the Huon and Kingborough team together, taking out the Tasmanian Property Management Team of the Year for the Real Estate Institute of Tasmania. So that's a pretty amazing award, and we've taken out Rural Agency and Agent Awards as well. So that's a pretty great effort for our team. So well done. Thank you to everyone that deals with our property management teams and our team in general. The rural ones, there's probably a couple of pretty big sales at the rough market that nobody will ever know about that's contributed to those, that they've certainly set some pretty high bars in the area. So certainly there's which is, I guess, why we've probably taken those ones out for Tassie as well. So the Harcourt's quarterly awards were also on this week, which probably seems like days ago compared to just when these ones on Saturday night, but we had a really good showing there. We had Haylee receiving her first bronze award, and showing also the bronze, and we did a couple of other sales and property management awards and things on the day. We had lots of training, lots of AI training, which was pretty cool for the second quarter in a row. So fairly advanced AI training this time. So that's probably given our teams a fair bit to work with and understand in that space over the last few days since then. So so it's been a big week of awards. We've got a few things coming up, including you see our office is decorated out the front for Halloween on Main Street, which is only a week and a half away, I guess, now. So so you'll see that sort of it's been a great success the last 2 years. Since we're getting bigger, so lots of businesses seem to want to get involved and do it as in something for the kids. So you'll see us. The office will black and orange and all sorts of things on that day. So if you're out and about, come and check it out, and you see the team then. Otherwise, hopefully this wind stops blowing and we get to enjoy that. But certainly been some spring weather for the last week again. So still lots of properties trying to get photographed, and drones not being able to fly. Lots of challenges with the weather that we've had lately. But I think the ground's reached saturation point and it's starting to turn a little bit. So hopefully that'll make it a little bit easier to get some houses for sale over the next few weeks. Yeah. All right. Thank you for tuning in. We will see you next week on the update, and well done again to the team on all the awards.